Our top story tonight, yesterday was the 70th anniversary of Rosa Parks' refusal to give up her seat on a Montgomery bus, leading to the start of the Montgomery bus boycott just 5 days later.
In commemoration of Parks and her impact on the civil rights movement, a unity walk was held in downtown Montgomery. I talked to some of the participants about what it means to them.
It's almost a spiritual feeling, honestly, walking down Dexter Avenue. I'm almost in tears now.
Each year, participants gather at King Memorial Baptist Church, where Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. preached from 1954 to 1960, and march down Baxter Avenue to the Rosa Parks Museum. During the march, walkers shared stories and memories that have been passed down through generations.
I have a grandmother who's 97 years old, and she was actually here during the bus boycott and took part in it. She talks about being at the mass meetings. She talks about how the crowd reacted to Dr. King when he arrived at the church. She heard the bomb that damaged his home. She heard that go off.
It is stories like that one that Thomas says helps her remember how far civil rights have come, but also how far they still have to go.
It just tells me that I too can make a difference. I'm pretty reserved, but I have fight in me. So to see her take the stand that she did, it tells me I can do the same thing.
Thomas isn't standing alone. Dr. Letitia Watford, one of the march's speakers, is part of a family that has spent years fighting for civil rights.
My father worked inside of the Democratic organization in the 3rd Ward. They were very successful in getting African Americans to the polls. My mother, on the other hand, was low-key in the background. She was the trusted woman who babysat children whose parents were literally out in the streets.
But fighting for years comes with a price.
It's potentially discouraging, except I won't allow circumstances such as this to discourage me.
Much like Watford, Thomas refuses to accept the feelings of doubt.
There's no place for fear. It's time for change.
Bells rang out at 6:06 p.m., the exact moment Rosa Parks chose to take a stand. The events of the evening were also in celebration of the 25th anniversary of the openings of the Rosa Parks Museum.